I wanted to have a pool, but I wanted it to be functional, and my wife is an elite triathlete, and we wanted to build a lap pool, so that's why we built this pool, and we decided to enclose it because we wanted to try to use it year-round. My name's Jerome Rossetti. I'm a builder. I've been doing it for 38 years, and we're sitting on my back porch. We've got 14 shades total, and you know, when I designed this, I wanted to use the stone columns, and we hid the tracks inside the stone columns. We had to use the individual shades because that's, you know, the way I wanted to be operable, so you know, we could open one of them if we wanted to, or all of them if we wanted to, or some of them if we wanted to.
My name is Wes Bradshaw. I am the owner of Sunbelt Technology. We specialize in working with custom home builders, also homeowners, and we do a little bit of commercial. We like to automate just about anything we're allowed to by our clients. We wanted to provide something to keep the heat in for the indoor pool and the covered porch area. So we went to CEDIA last year, went to Denver, and looked for a concept that fit into the stone settings and the channels that he would provide. At CEDIA, we looked at the Draper booth and literally found the exact stone that we thought we were going to use, the setting, the channel, and it just happened by chance. I sent a picture of it to Jerome from the convention, and he said, that's exactly what I'm looking to do. And so here we are a year later, and we've installed 14 of these outdoor shades, and they work like a charm.
When somebody wants a screen porch, in the summertime here in the South, I mean, it gets really hot, so they can put their screens up, or they can put their screens down, whichever they want, with ease. You know, you're not taking out screen panels and putting in glass panels, or vice versa. You know, you're just pressing a button and the screens go up and the screens come down.
Everybody wants outdoor audio, everybody wants an outdoor TV, so these shades go hand in hand with giving you the indoor-outdoor space that most homes need.
I love the ZIP product. I mean, I think it's great. These have been very easy to use. They've integrated in with my Control 4 system, and you know, we're very happy with them.